Super Leaves is a line of high-performance natural hair and skincare products for men and women that is EWG verified and enriched with watercress and Indian cress. We also added white tea, orange, olive, red pine, and lemon leaf extracts. These amazing ingredients help efficiently regenerate and protect all hair and skin types. They're available in 5 natural scents, and they also have anti-pollution properties. The Super Leaves line for textured hair is designed to meet the specific needs of curly and coily hair types. They're enriched with moisturizing ingredients like coconut oil, moringa oil, and shea butter. They define curls and get rid of frizz while providing just the right amount of hydration. Featuring your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion, and hand soap, the Super Leaves unscented line allows people with fragrance sensitivities to use their skincare routine without any discomfort. EWG verified, eco-logo certified, and dermatologically tested, these gentle skin and hair products made with plant and mineral-based ingredients contain blueberry leaf extracts. Our Super Leaves Micellar Foaming Cleanser is made with natural ingredients that deeply cleanse and detoxifies your skin without irritating it, while reducing the adhesion of pollution. The vegan formula contains watercress and Indian cress Super Leaves and high vitamin and mineral content. They also contain sacha inchi oil, a precious plant with high hydrating power. Designed for all skin types, this EWG verified light and silky micellar cleanser can also remove light makeup. It's available in 3 delicate scents and 1 unscented version. Our Attitude Super Leaves hand sanitizers are made with plant and mineral-based ingredients to get rid of harmful bacteria and germs while being really mild on hands. Its gentle yet effective EWG formula contains alcohol to disinfect, plus vegetable glycerin and leaf extract. Our hand sanitizer is available in our top 3 fresh natural Super Leaf scents.